letting it go, it'll haunt you, better follow your dreams.
Prayer ko na tayong lahat magkaisa. One nation for a prosperous nation.
Dahil napaka-importante ng money pay ngayong gabi. Sina? Alam mo, mga boss? Wow! Ayan na! Dalawang winner! Ang daming nananalo! Yay! People chef natin, Manny Pacquiao!
Papasalamat sa Panginoon because of His mercy and love that endures forever. Without God, Manny Pacquiao is nothing. I'm always thankful to God and grateful to all the blessings that He has given to us.
You can be the greatest, you can be the best, you can be the king.
In celebration for San Manny's 47th birthday, we are being reminded how the Lord blessed him and how the Lord blessed David. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. You know, David was confident in God's sufficient provision. He knew that in God you lack nothing.
Lahat ng mga public officials, tulungan natin ang tao. Nandyan kayo because of a purpose. Makatulong, makagawa ng legasiya. Hindi makagawa ng legasiya sa pagnanakaw. Kunin legasiya para makatulong at mabago mo ang pamumuhay ng bawat pamilyang Pilipino. Yan ang pinakamahalaga.
I'll be there someday. I can go the distance. I will find my way. If I can be strong, I know.
One day, kayong lahat nangangarap na masinso sa buhay. But remember, huwag kayong magbago. The more you blessed by God, the more you bless others.